Hi everyone! Happy birthday, Richard! What's up? Hi, you beautiful people of the YouTube world. This is Ron. For those that just tune in, I thank you very much. I hope you guys are keeping safe from the COVID-19 out there, and I hope you guys all to be healthy and what. But anyway, we're still here in quarantine, and I want to be productive. I want to do some stuff like do-it-yourself stuff, right? And since I'm into this kind of videoing and vlogging and what, I have an idea to do some stuff with my lights. And technically I was looking into my strobe lights here. Hold on, I'll show you guys what it is. I have one right there that I use on this side. And technically this is a pigtail light bulb, as my brother-in-law said. And this bulb kick out a punch of 125 watts with 5,500 Kelvin, while I want to trade it to cha-ching, LED strip. Alright, and this should be the same as bright as this, hopefully, when I use two of them. Alright, so I got two LED strip that I'm planning to do, and I just wanna see what size I need and what size of the strip so that I could do the math properly. But I want to show you guys how much this piece of light bulb pull when you connect it to your socket. So one of my light here, I don't know if you guys could see, it's against the light right there. That's one of it. It's pulling, let's see if I could put this one steady, 65 watts right now. Alright, so there you go. My Electrodaka's charge controller is monitoring it, and then if you guys want to see a video on that, on how I made that one, check out the description above, or I'll put the link down below, or check out my playlist, okay? So that's technically the plan, is to have my own video lighting source that's way lighter with LED strip, and I might use Coroplast for the place to mount this, or to tape it. I'm gonna use a double-sided tape, or I think it has a double-sided tape already. And what else do I need? I'm gonna use I don't know what is in here. Is it just strip, or does it have input voltage? Oh, it has an adapter. Cool, right there. Alright, so this has a dimmer as already. So it has a dimmer switch, so you could adjust it. That's good. I have an adapter. Alright, and this is the LED strip that we're gonna use right there. So I'm just gonna measure this, do some math, and hopefully I do it right. And let's start from there. Alright. Let's plug this in. There you go. And on. Alright. There you go. Dimmer switch is good. Let's see how much it pulls. Alright guys, so right now the fluorescent light, this one, the one that I just pulled out, pulls around 65-ish watt. Alright, Now if I turn on the LED, that will be around 20 watt? Yeah, something like that. 15 watt. So, see the difference? So, let's do this. Alright guys, so technically I estimated this wrong. I only have this amount of LED on the Coroplast, so it seems that I needed 3 strips for it to be covered entirely. So if this goes well, I'm gonna make another one that I'm gonna probably order 3 of these, but I'm just gonna do the wiring here, and yeah, let's do that one. Alright, moment of truth. I just jumped those 2, and hopefully we got light on the 2 line here. Here we do! There you go. Cool. Let's do this. Let's just reuse this old softbox. Okay, let's see. What do you guys think? Is it bright? I mean, the reflector helped. Right, the reflector helped. Let's compare it to the other softbox that I usually have. Let's do that. Let's see if my do-it-yourself. Why? Okay, why? Doesn't want to go in. Okay. I think I even got the plug in. There we go. Okay, let's see this one. If it will go. It's open. Oh! Dummy. You have to slide it. Alright. This is the do-it-yourself. The LED. Is it bright enough? Is it good enough? Let's see. Let's close it up a little bit. There we go. How's that? Cool? Okay, where's the switch? Is it inside? Oh, it's inside. I have to extend that one. Okay. Now let's try the old one. Oh! Surprisingly, this is brighter. Hey, go ahead. You want to check this out? This one is the one that I built.
Not bad.
Right? But compared to... Let's turn this one on. It's almost the same.
Yeah.
Or a little bit brighter, because I could see in the video as well.
It's slightly brighter.
This pulls around 64 watts. This one pulls around 30-ish watts.
It's less than half.
But I mean, it's way brighter as well.
Here, do me a favor. Just turn that one on. Quick. What it is a different light. That's yellow or red base, blue base. So that one's a slightly different color.
Yeah.
Now that I see it, this looks brighter, but that is brighter.
Is it?
Your eye it's fooled. So if you have a really fair skinned person, this light is better because this will make them look super white. Look at, okay, there's my hand, right? You can see all the red. Now watch. See how my hand goes all red?
Yeah.
See how it goes
light.
So this makes my skin look lighter.
You can stand here. I want to see the video.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this up.
So-
yeah, you're a little bit reddish on this
side.
Yeah. So
Right.
if I turn this off, give me a sec.
Right? You turn that one off and I stand here,
Yeah, you're.
all red.
Yep, let's turn this off.
And I stand here, I will appear to be much whiter.
Yeah. Oh.
Isn't that wild?
Oh, alright guys, so I'm technically done with my do-it-yourself, what do you call this, video light. Okay, and I'm telling you, I'm really impressed with it, even though it's just a simple do-it-yourself video light. And the thing about it is it only consumes a little bit of watts and amp, and it could be powered by this simple battery that I have for lithium battery. And this is not balanced or anything with the lithium balancer or what. I just put it there so that I could try it out and I'll have you guys see what I have here right now. And if well, you know what, I'll turn it on. So there's the switch there, and I'm just not gonna turn that full power right there. So I have this battery that's powering it. It's only at 12 volt right there, and you guys are gonna get blinded with it if I put it all the way up. There you go. So not bad, not bad. I mean, it's probably as bright as this one. That's the reason why I built it, and it's a lower wattage, but it's really nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some link here where you guys could buy the LED and the things that comes with it. And again, it's just to keep you guys busy during this tough time, and you have to have those activities so that you don't get depressed or stressed out or anything, right? And you just want to keep your minds busy and working and being productive. In a way, it's gonna be a use for me doing my vlogs, and maybe you guys could think of something to do with it if you guys do vlogs or activity at the house. In a way, it's a good activity, okay? But I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and thank you guys very much for hanging in there with me. And this is Ron again. Thank you guys very much for those new viewers, and for those frontliners. You guys keep safe. See you in the next vlog. Peace out.